Stay with me if you wanna.
Hey guys, welcome to another Unity tutorial, and this is going to be a quick tip video, and it's something that I've been wanting to show for a while, and it's using swatches when you're using the color picker in Unity. Now it's really simple and easy, and it's something that passed me by for an awfully long time. So if we've got any object, any material, anything that we can actually swap a color value onto, so say we've selected this object and we want to go to our albedo material and change the albedo color, you can actually bring up the color swatch just like this, and you can go and change, let's say, to a red. Now at the bottom you've got something called the swatches, like an artist would do when they have a color palette, and I've got a selection of colors that have already been saved. And if you go on the right hand side and add to the new preset, you can press I'll save that red color. We can close it, we could go to a different material, open it up, and we can see at the bottom we've got the swatches that we'd already saved, so we can go straight to that red colour. So you've got exactly what you need without you having to exactly copy either the hexadecimal value or the RGB and alpha values for each actual colour you've got, so you can just click on the swatches at the bottom. So this was just a really quick one. Thanks very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.